Hey, did you like to read books? Just wait. When I said books, I didn't mean to your boring school or college's books. Let's break the wall. Stay out from the boundary and get some real knowledge. Reading books is a great habit for everyone. Did you hear the name of Mr. Bill Gates? Yes, the founder of Microsoft. You will shock when you know that he read about 50 books a year. So in this video, we will talk about top 3 business books which can help you to grow your business or startup.
Personally speaking, few months ago I don't feel good to read books. But then a book came to my life which changed my perspectives about business and entrepreneurship. Here comes the first book of our list named 0 to 1, a famous book written by American famous investor and entrepreneur called Peter Thiel and co-written by Blake Masters. This book is all about the philosophy and strategy for making a successful startup. In this book, Peter Thiel describes which he learned from founding and selling the company PayPal, investing in Facebook, and in his billionaire journey. A legendary book from a legendary person will help you to learn more about business and entrepreneurship.
So if you are struggling with making your business or startup profitable, so book number 2 is Can Make It Happen, which is especially close to my heart. The Lean Startup by an American famous entrepreneur, blogger and author Eric Ries. In this book, you can learn the in-depth knowledge of how you should grow in your business or startup from scratch.
What or how you do is not so important. The most important thing is why you do. So here comes the book number 3. Start with Why. A famous book written by famous TED Talk speaker and leadership coach Simon Sinek. In this book, you can learn why or the purpose behind every successful organization.
So these are all the 3 books, not 3, but yes, I have another one, but I don't have right now. So yes, this is all the 3 books from where you can learn the why factor and the inside in-depth knowledge of how businesses are made. Okay, if you want to buy any of this book, you can go and check out the link in the description down below where you can easily purchase it from Amazon. So today that's it for the video, and make sure smash the subscribe button down below, and if you like the video then hit the like button, and if you think this video is valuable for you then share with your friends and families. So मिलते हैं अगले किसी वीडियो में अगले किसी टॉपिक के साथ, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद।